How to install Apollo Group TV on LG Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Apollo Group TV on an LG Smart television. You cannot install Apollo Group TV directly on an LG Smart television because it runs on Web OS and Apollo isn't available in the LG Content Store. But there's a workaround. The easiest way: use a Fire Stick, plug it into your LG TV's HDMI port, turn it on, and connect to Wi-Fi. Then, on the Fire Stick home screen, search for an app called Downloader, install it. Now go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, turn on apps from unknown sources. Now open the Downloader app and enter the Apollo Group TV APK link. This is usually found on their official website or support channels. Download the APK, hit install, and once it's done, open the Apollo Group TV app. Sign in with your credentials and you're ready to go.